everyone, welcome back to our official NMAT by GMAC channel, and today we have an exciting topic to explore, especially for those of you who are aspiring to ace the NMAT by GMAC exam. We are going to talk about the official NMAT prep resources by the GMAC. Let's start with a must-have resource, the NMAT official guide. The NMAT official guide is your official source of information for all of the exam format and structure. It also contains a 6-week study plan that will help you structure your preparation timeline. And of course, you have extensive review of concepts and question types of each section with tips and strategies for success. But most importantly, the NMAT official guide contains about 264 past NMAT questions and additional 475 questions that you can practice with, all with answers and explanations. The next one is a real gem. One free practice exam that contains 108 past NMAT questions with 2 attempts. This practice exam mirrors the actual NMAT by GMAC exam and gives you a real feel of the exam. Plus, you get the scale score that gives you insights into your preparedness for your NMAT exam. If you're hungry for more and need more practice, don't worry, because we've got you covered with 2 additional paid practice exams 2 and 3, with 216 never before seen past NMAT questions. And just like your free practice exams, these 2 have 2 attempts that you can work with, and of course scale scores that is going to give you a lot of insights to set you up for success. In conclusion, these NMAT resources are your roadmap to success. Whether you are starting off your journey or trying to fine-tune your skills, these official resources are all that you're actually going to need. Remember, success is achieved through effective preparation and utilization of the right kind of tools. Thank you for watching this video. If you did like the information that's provided on this video, do make sure that you hit the like button, and do not forget to hit the bell icon and subscribe to our channel if you've already not, to get more updates like this from our official NMAT by GMAC channel. Until next time, happy studying, guys.